Happy days, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. Are we all doing good? Happy days. Great. Till raiding. We've got a tin full of coins. I've got to say this though. It's tin. Them that know, they know. Right, you can go off to the side. Let's have a look what we're after. So we're trying to get every single circulating British £2 coin. The commemorative ones anyway. We just need Commonwealth Games England. We've got Northern Ireland, wherever it is, that one I think. Aye. And we've had that a few times, as you know. And that is that. So just one for the £2 coins. Got a couple of territories down there. 50p wise, same album. We need Kew Gardens. We need boxing and equestrian, football, handball, and judo, and triathlon. And then that's that. All the way to the back. Now I did put the referendum coin in there, and I was going to put the others in there, but they're actually wait. They're actually in the reserve album. This is an album that I had prior to doing Till Raiding, with a big nasty fake Q in that. Big nasty fake Q. Actually filled this up, but then at the back I've got the territory coin. So some of them I will have pulled from Till Raiding hunts. Others I've bought, and some of them have been bought for me as gifts. Wherever I've had a space, I've just popped the territory 50p's in back there. I will do it at one point. You've got to keep nagging me, folks. Right, we've got a telechat at back just to see how many diversity built Britons we've found. We have got how many? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27 to press, and Commonwealth Games £2 coins we've found 4. Right, let's get the book out the way, empty the coins out the tin. Right, let's find out what we've got. So we've got a nice stack of 50p's, and we've got a nice stack of £2. We've got some super duper rare ones, I can tell you that. And I've also found a couple of these. Well, I didn't find this, my nephew found this one. Let's zoom in. Let's get you in a little bit. Whoop, there. Don't knock the camera. Right, look at that. Okay, it's an Albert Tower. My nephew found me this. He got it in his change from a local shop. And I've not seen, I don't think I've seen one before. He says he only collects 50p's himself, so he'll swap me something. He ended up taking a bunk Gruffalo off me, but that's what nephews do, isn't it? That's what families do. But still. Right, and it's from, Isle of Man. I'll show you the other side. Isle of Man, 2008. Don't know much about this coin. Looks a bit grim in places, but still, it's very neat. And I've just thrown it on the floor. And then I also got a brand new 2020 1p. Now I don't know if these are common, rare, whatever, I don't know. So probably super duper common. Well, it was super shiny, so I put it to one side. Right, let's get into this now. If my hands look a bit grim, full of oil and things like that, it's because I've been working hard on some giveaway prizes. So when the channel is 1, and if we've not got there yet, I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subs, we can have a magnificent giveaway. I'm going to say getaway. We do want to get away, but still. Right, let's start off with the £2 coins. Nice stack of £2 coins. So let's have a look at that. So again, bear with me with the fingers. I do like to hit them with hammers from time to time. So we've got Marconi's wireless transmissions there. Super common for me. Don't want that. Another one. What's this one? Another one. That's how. Right, so there we go, £2. And we have got Charles Dickens. We don't need that one. Right, what's this one? Whoop. We've got Brunel. Very nice coin. Super duper common. You can live there. Right, so what's this one gonna be? And that's his twin. In fact, we'll pop you next to him. So Brunel's portrait, lovely chains on that one. Alright, so 2015. 2015. And it's a Britannia. Look at that. Epic, isn't it? Lovely bit of change. One of the rarest £2 coins you can get. The 2015 Britannia. Definite keeper. Definite keeper. I think that's the second one I've found since starting videos. And then the belter of the £2. Another uber rare one. And it's a navy boat. It's in quite good nick. There's a bit of grease on there from my hands, but yeah, a navy boat. This was again found by a family member, not myself. But since we're all in the same boat, they all come to my piggy bank. Right, okay, so that's it. So nothing for the £2, but certainly a couple of keepers, some ultra rare ones. Right, let's get into 50p's. Alright, so again, when we do till raiding, we do it absolutely as safe as we possibly can, abiding by every single precaution going. Right, Sherlock Holmes, don't need him. Or her? Him, gotta be in him. What's this one? Brexit. Don't need the Brexit coin. World's most tedious coin. 2016. It's a Squiggle Nutkin. Now look at that. It looked like he's got a massive whisker, but I think it's a big scratch. A big scratch that runs the full length of his body. Crazy, yeah? I'll still probably keep that one. 2005. What's this one going to be? Here's, of course, super common dictionary. Will we have out good? 2016. Here's another Circle Nutkin. Squirrel Nutkin. I don't know. 2006. We have got the heroic act, or wounded soldier, as the big man used to say. Pretty worn away, that one. 2020, nice condition, of course. It's our friend Diversity Built Britain, so he'll go on Charlie Chat. 2006, again, it's the opposite one, so we'll pop you there. The medals. And another Diversity Built Britain, and this one's got a bit of, it looks like it's got a star, a green star just on the U. Just a bit of grime. Not off me either, not off my hands. Right, we've got a Benjamin Bunny come out that way. Benjamin Bunny, I'll sign this one, I'll write happy days right across his face and set him free into the wild. 2 coins left. Another 2020. Another Diversity. So we've done quite well on these, and if the mintage figure is anything to go about, these are certainly going to be very scarce to come by. Right, last one. And we've got an Olympic, right? And we got an Olympic last time as well. Is it one we need? Is it one we need? Wah, wah, wah. No, but it is an absolute belter. Thank you, Mr. Sainsbury's local shop, for this one. It is in absolutely nice condition. In fact, I don't think I've seen a bad condition wheelchair rugby. But none for the album this time. But we've got a couple of good keepers. Definitely those, and we'll keep those, and we may keep those. But we shall see. I want to know, guys, which one would you choose in the 2015 Britannia or the Navy boat? Which one would you think is the better of the two? Let me know. But until next time, my fantastic friends, take care of the Sen, stay safe, and as always, happy days.